Welcome back to Big Baz's Angling. Not been about for a while, done a bit of fishing, nothing to write home about. But we're back today at a new venue. I've had a bream and a nice roach already. Got a new rod and new reel. Woohoo! And I'm trying some new bait from Evolution. No, it's not. It's called Evolved. Sticky method pellet. This one here. 2 chucks, 2 fish. So we're doing something right. See you in a little while. Well, I finally caught one of the ones that was down by my feet. Just trying to get him in now, so bear with. There he is, that little carp. I shall finish this video in a moment. And there it is, the one I was after for ages. Got ya, not very big, but nonetheless most enjoyable. Right then, there we have it. Great day's fishing at Homestead Caravan Park. Been using the new method meter pellets and maggots. So it's been a really good day all in all. Bonus carp right at the end. Lovely, I was feeding that spot up most of the day. And it worked. So really great day. Once all this COVID stuff's finished, get down here, have a great day's fishing. I don't know what the biggest fish are in here, but it's been fantastic. Hope you enjoyed this video. Give us a subscribe and a like. Any comments, anything you'd like, just let me know. I'll try different baits, I'll try different methods. I don't mind, I love it. It's a bit of fun for me. Catch you all later. Thanks for watching. Fish on.